Oh no, mommy, you don't cook bitter leaf soup. Probably because you don't use the right recipe. Have you tried this recipe for your bitter leaf soup? My dear, try this and thank me later. If your kids are the type that doesn't like bitter leaf soup, if they've been saying no, mommy, please do not cook bitter leaf soup, try this and tell me the outcome. So at this point, we have cow skin, beef, stockfish, dried fish. I actually added all together. That's because they are all hard. So to make the cookings very fast, I had to cook the cocoyam alongside with everything. I actually peeled and washed the cocoyam in order to make the work very easy. Maka stress, to make the cooking and the whole thing easier for me. That was why I had to cook everything together. So I don't know, how do you make yours? You cook it separately or you cook it together just like I did? So at this point, the cocoyam is well cooked. I will have to remove it, introduce it inside my mortar and pestle. Of course, this is how you remove it. If you have not tried this, if you take 2 hours or 3 hours to prepare bitter leaf soup, my dear, try this style, try this recipe. Stop staying 3-4 hours just for a pot of soup. You are not cooking for the country, it's just for the family. So at this point, I'm trying to separate the cocoyam from the proteins. So this is exactly what I'm doing right now. So I added more water to the protein. That water will be enough to cook the soup. At this point, I have to pound the cocoyam, and now it is okay. I will have to reintroduce it inside the pot. This is our take now. Cocoyam ede in Igbo language. So moving on now, we have to introduce palm oil. Enough palm oil because this is bitter leaf soup. After which I'll add crayfish. Then this is local bean, also known as ogiri. Yeah, this can very smell, in fact nice smell. Let me don't use word smell, but without this is the secret recipe for bitter leaf soup. If you don't have this in your bitter leaf soup, my dear, the ingredients are not complete. So you need ogiri. Yeah, whether you like the smell or not, add this to your bitter leaf soup to get the right taste. And then after adding it, I'll allow it to cook. Then return to this is okazi. Oh, sorry, this is uziza leaf, also known as hot leaf. It will also have the seed and the vegetable, but I'll be using the vegetable for today. I'll have to remove the steam, then wash properly with salt and enough water before chopping it. So at this point, I've introduced Ghana black pepper. Actually, that's my favorite. And then this is another dried fish. I'll then stir. At this point, it's giving me that aroma I want. So I actually want this bitter leaf soup kind of watery. I don't want it too thick. So at this point, I'm introducing the hot leaf, also known as uziza leaf. I'll then stir for some time, allow it to continue just for 5 minutes or less. Look at the soup, looking so inviting. Looking so inviting even when it's not yet ready. then it's just a seasoning cube. Don't go and carry the whole packet of seasoning cube inside a pot of soup. You're not cooking for Africa, it's just for the family. So this is our bitter leaf. It's already properly washed. I've removed the bitter juice from it, and then it goes into the pot. I won't be putting more, just small. I'm good to go. This is bitter leaf soup, not vegetable, so don't carry the whole bitter leaf soup with bitter leaf in your backyard inside the pot. It's just small quantity, it's good to go. Just like mine, look at how it is. It is so simple. At this point, I'll just allow it to boil for a few minutes and it will be good to go. Just like as it is now, it is good to go. Start getting your fufu ready because it's about to go down. I don't know how you do yours. Do you do this recipe or other recipe? Because this recipe is actually the best and it's very very fast and also on no budget. And we were going to be dissecting this soup with fufu. Yeah, I don't know, what do you normally use? Do you use gari or fufu? We're using fufu, and this is it. Wow, looking so yummy. So if you are watching this video from Facebook, don't forget to hit the follow button, and if you're watching from YouTube, don't forget to hit the subscription button. Subscription is free, so hit it, like, comment and share. Let's know how you prepare yours. Use this recipe. Look at this one. I woke her from sleep, that's why she's looking like that. I don't know. Hey, she'll be like, yeah. So at this point, it's about to go down. Join us as we dissect ofe onugbu with akpu together. Ah, the soup makes sense, sha. Is it so sweet?